Welcome back to CD Training Academy Tutorials. In today's lesson, we'll walk through how to create a course revision. This feature is designed to help you stay organized by tracking updates, assigning employees to review the latest versions of your repair station manuals or procedures, and keeping your training process seamless. With course revisions, previous employee training completion dates automatically carry over to the new assignment, so you'll always have a clear record in one place. Let's get started. For this example, I will choose the course Repair Station Manual Rev 5. In the top left of your screen, you should see a drop-down arrow. You will click on it and select the option Revise. You will simply select OK to move on. After this step, you will always need to click on Courses and find the new revised course. It should be the first one at the top of the course list. Click the Edit option on the far right of your screen. This will take you to your new course. Then click on the course definition and change the course name. For this example, I will delete the date and change the name from Rev 5 to Rev 6. You will then scroll down and save your edits. The next step is to click the icon Add New Revision. Now, change the lesson name to match, and then go down where it says Change Log and enter what the change is for. For this example, I will enter Update Rev 6. Now here we see the icon Major Change. If you toggle this on, it will send out a notification that there has been a change to the course. Then simply click Save Changes. We will now edit the lesson by clicking on the Edit icon here. On the right of our lesson screen, you will see File Attachments. You will want to toggle off the Embed icon on the old attachment, and then select a new file. As you can see, sometimes it takes a moment for the file to load. You may need to refresh your page. While we wait, I will show you this feature. As you can see, when I hover over this cloud, it says, Download is enabled. If you click on it, it will disable it, which means the user will not be able to download the file. Once your new attachment has loaded, you can see that it shows in the lesson here. The next step is to click on the Lessons tab once again and activate the new revised course. You are able to do this by clicking on the orange bar at the top that says, Click here. And then you will simply click OK. You can see that the course is now activated. You will then click on the Courses tab at the top of your screen, and you will see the new revised course, which is labeled Repair Station Manual Rev 6. As you can see, there are 4 users assigned to the new course. If we click on the course name and then navigate to Completion Report and select a user, such as Penny Baker, then click on the drop-down arrow by their name, we can see their past progress in this course. This includes past dates and the user's progress, as well as the date completed, if entered. The last step is to click on the Courses tab at the top of your screen and find the original course and inactivate it. Well done! We hope this video has helped with the revision process. Do you have more questions about your portal? Let us know, and we will create a new CDTA tutorial for you. Subscribe to CD Training Academy's YouTube channel to keep up with newly added tutorials.